to increase your daily bias and to actually get on the right side of the market for the first time in your life is not by using this thing over here, which all of the influencers are plugging, right? You want to start using this thing over here, right? So we have come into the exact same fair value gap over here. Now, what's important to understand, when you look inside this fair value gap over here, we can see the market was moving down, but in this fair value gap, we had a lot of aggressive buyers over here. So when the market moves down in a bearish fair value gap, what that means is that there's more aggressive buyers than sellers. But think about it logically. If there's more aggressive buyers than sellers and the market moves down, that means the buyers are failing at this area, which means that the sellers by default are in control because you can only click buy or sell, right? So if the buyers are failing, it means sellers are in control. Now, what's even more interesting is that when we go over here and start analyzing the candles further, what we can see over here is we see this top rejection and we see so many aggressive buyers over here. 278 for 365. We see 321 for 416. We see a lot of aggressive buyers over here. None of them are rewarded. Now, the best way to look at this is the rejection you see over here. So we see multiple rejections, right? First rejection, the second rejection is the most powerful, where we have 112 for 1,000. So there were a lot more aggressive buyers than sellers, which means that the sellers here were absorbing the passive buyers in the PM session. This is the reason why the market's melted down in the first place. So whenever you're looking at a fair value gap and you don't know what you're looking at, the only reason you can catch these down moves is by understanding what is happening between the buyers and the sellers at the fair value gap.